Take a ride in the 2016 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, electronic parking brake, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, daytime running lights, fog lights, front license plate bracket. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.